Hey guys, it's 5 AM and I got a new update for you. I have added barricades or spiked walls or whatever. I've also implemented obstacle or collision checks for animals. So as you can see, they are boxed in and they cannot escape. I've also added this feature that checks my proximity to animals, and if I'm close, they're gonna charge me and they're gonna eat me. Luckily there's the wall between us. Maybe if I can, they might be able to clip through at least one hit. I guess not. Guess I've implemented it correctly. Oh, there we go. Yeah, sometimes they might be able to somehow clip through like this and then possibly hit me. I don't think they can just get out of there. Maybe they can. I don't think so. But yeah, somehow they can manage to move within the borders of the obstacle array or obstacle system. It's still work in progress, but it works good enough for me. If you get too close to rabbits, he's gonna run, or they are gonna run. I also have vertical spiked walls. I should have built them here. Never mind. These are just generated on the startup when I was testing the game. I've also implemented this feature. When I'm in debug mode, I can build stuff real fast like this. What's next? Yeah, every action costs 1 hunger right now. It's gonna be a little bit smarter or changed in the future, because right now picking branch and chopping the tree will take the same amount of hunger, but later on I need to implement correct numbers for heavier actions. So for example, picking a branch will take 1 hunger or a really low value, and chopping the tree will take much higher value than picking the branch. Right now this is good enough. That's just a skeleton for the whole hunger based system. Same goes for the animals and obstacle system. It's just a skeleton or the core mechanism. Then I can fix it up and build on it to make it even better or stronger. I fixed some console messages. That's a minor tweak. Animals leave tracks. Alright, let's follow this rabbit. I'm gonna spook it off, or spook it away, I guess. As you can see, there's a bunch of tracks around. And this one is from the rabbit. It leads south. Okay, this one leads north, I guess. And south again. Okay, dude, run away, and I'll try to follow you around. Okay, these are pointing in the right direction. Now he's totally flipping off because he cannot go around the obstacle, as the pathfinding is not implemented yet. So he's just going crazy. This is gonna stay like this a while, because I'm not really gonna go into the whole pathfinding right now, but I will implement it later on. Proximity checks, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, also if you aggro a boar and run far enough, you can shake it off and it will stop chasing you. Or you can clip it to a tree and just it will leave you alone. It's like half of my screen, the distance to prevent the boar from chasing you further. Or you can use trees like this. again, this is just a testing phase. With pathfinding, the boar will be much smarter and will chase you further, I guess. Also, there's like too many animals around, because I was testing the tracks and obstacle system. Later on, there's gonna be limited amount of animals, so you'll have to follow their tracks and hunt them down if you want to survive. Or if you want to die, because you'll be able to track anything like wolves, other people, or like NPCs, and that might cost you your life. God damn it. Well, it's like 6 AM and I haven't slept yet, so yep, animals move faster. I bet you have seen that. When I aggro the boar, it suddenly moves pretty fast and it's chasing me like crazy and I can barely run away. Rabbits are a little bit faster, so I don't think I can catch up with a rabbit when he's in full speed. Maybe I can. Huh. Yeah, but barely, and I cannot really do. I can probably fit in one action. Like I can try to hit it. Yeah, and that's about it. I might be increasing the speed or decreasing the speed of the character sprinting. Also, Jesus rabbit. Yeah, they can walk on water. That's gonna be fixed later on, as I'm gonna be fixing the obstacle system so animals cannot clip into the obstacle, and I'll probably be putting obstacles over water tiles, or I might try something different, but that's for the future. Hunger values above. Alright, if my hunger is high enough, or if I'm satiated or fat enough, whatever, I'll be regenerating health. It's like one health per 1 minute, so it's pretty slow, and it's not gonna be much faster later on. I don't want like insta healing on my character. I want it to be a little bit more realistic, so no medkits or whatever. I might add spells later on, but that's just, yeah, right now I'm trying to stick to a little bit realistic approach, like rabbits walking over water, right? Animals can now be stopped by obstacles. I've shown that. There were some recipes that had overlapping text, so I fixed that as well. Well, I just moved it to the side. I didn't want to bother with aligning it to the center. I actually had to implement my own like word division system, or whatever you want to call it, word wrapping maybe, for this detail. I might reuse that on the name, or just write a function that's gonna, or method that's gonna center it. Buildings can no longer be built over other stuff like trees or the character, which turned out to be pretty funny because you can block yourself in and then you cannot escape. Alright, I shouldn't be able to build it over, maybe I can. I shouldn't be able to build it over another sign. Yes, I can. That's something I'm still working on, so it's not really working yet. Let's see. Yep, that's all I wanted to talk about. I've covered all the stuff. I'm currently at version 99, so the next version is going to be 0.1.0, and I'm probably gonna pop a bottle and celebrate or whatever. It's starting to get a little bit serious, I guess. I'm glad that people are actually watching these. I'm mostly doing this to motivate myself, but every feedback is very valuable and is keeping my drive up, keeping me motivated. So I wanted to thank everyone who's watching, everyone who's liking every video or whatever. I've noticed those likes. Thank you, and see you next time.